Hey guys, Will and Anton here from the Shell V-Power Racing team, and welcome to the 4Ddoors showroom.
Where on display are some of the best garage door systems in the world.
4Ddoors side sliding garage door transforms the inside of your garage into a highly functional and usable space. The revolutionary design retracts the door at 180 through to 90, maximizing drive-through clearance with the added benefit of keeping the ceiling free. With increased vehicle clearance and programmable pedestrian access, 4Ddoors has redefined how we think about garage doors.